Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat Gluta Fair capsules. First, always follow the dosage instructions provided on the product packaging or by a healthcare professional. Taking them consistently is crucial for seeing any potential benefits. It's generally recommended to take these capsules with a full glass of water and often on an empty stomach for better absorption. Remember, individual results may vary, so patience is important. For optimal absorption, try taking your Gluta Fair capsules about 30 minutes before a meal. This can help your body process the ingredients more effectively. It's also wise to avoid taking them with very hot beverages or alcoholic drinks, as these might interfere with the capsule's efficacy. Always store your capsules properly in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency and shelf life. Before starting any new supplement, including Gluta Fair capsules, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Pay close attention to your body and monitor for any adverse reactions or side effects. Never exceed the recommended daily dosage, as this will not speed up results and could potentially be harmful. Your health and safety are paramount. To maximize the potential benefits of Gluta Fair capsules, complement your intake with a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also essential for overall health and supplement efficacy. For more great tips and deals, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Remember, consistency and a holistic approach yield the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.